Metabo HPT Siding and Light Framing Coilnagler NV75A5 Review. Preferred, proven results. There's a particular kind of exhaustion that hits mid-afternoon on a siding job when your arm is burning, your nailer keeps jamming, and you are still staring at a wall that should have been done an hour ago. That heavy, grinding fatigue from using an overweight or underpowered nailer through a full shift is something every siding crew knows intimately. Maybe you have dealt with tools that cannot switch between wire and plastic coil nails without a full swap, which costs time you simply do not have on a deadline. Or perhaps your current nailer leaves marks on the siding face every time you move too quickly. And here is the thing. Those small inefficiencies stack up into real money lost across a season. Does any of that sound familiar on your jobs? The deeper problem is that the wrong nailer does not just slow you down in obvious ways. It creates a quiet drain on your whole workday. A tool that weighs even a pound more than it should turns into a noticeable problem by hour 6 on a ladder. Jams that take 2 minutes to clear each time they happen add up to significant lost time across a full installation. Switching fastener types mid-job because your nailer only accepts one collation style creates extra trips to the truck and breaks your rhythm completely. And if your depth adjustment requires a separate tool to change, you are making every material transition harder than it needs to be. The mental load of managing a temperamental or limited nailer quietly erodes focus and enjoyment in work that should feel clean, efficient, and satisfying when the right equipment is in your hands. Here is what finally worked for serious siding and light framing crews. The Metabo HPT Siding and Light Framing Coilnagler, preferred pneumatic power nailers for versatile siding and framing tasks tool for 16-degree wire 1 3/4 inch to 3 inch and 15-degree plastic to 1 3/4 inch to 2 1/4 inch nails. NV75A5 is the answer that professionals have been reaching for consistently. Don't just pick any coil nailer. Make sure it has dual collation compatibility with both wire and plastic coil nails, so you never suffer through mid-job fastener swaps and lost momentum again. This tool accepts 16-degree wire coil nails from 1 3/4 inches up to 3 inches and 15-degree plastic coil nails up to 2 1/4 inches, covering virtually every siding and sheathing scenario in a single lightweight package. Let me explain what a full day with this nailer actually looks like on the job. At only 5.7 pounds, the NV75A5 is genuinely lighter than most comparable pneumatic coil nailers, and that weight difference becomes very real by mid-afternoon when your arms are carrying the load of hundreds of nails driven overhead or on a ladder. The selective actuation switch lets you flip between sequential and bump fire contact modes instantly, so you can slow down for precision on delicate siding panels and speed up for sheathing runs without any tool changes whatsoever. Tool-free depth adjustment means you can dial in flush or countersunk driving between materials in seconds. A construction tools reviewer noted that the combination of dual collation support, adjustable depth, and lightweight design hits a sweet spot that genuinely serves mixed material siding and framing jobs. One longtime siding professional described using this nailer across multiple seasons with zero reliability issues, praising the side load tilt bottom magazine for keeping reload time minimal. Some buyers wonder whether the No-Mar nose cap holds up under heavy use, and the answer, based on field feedback, is that it performs consistently across extended jobs. What feature matters most on your current projects? If your daily work involves siding, sheathing, or light framing, and you want a pneumatic nailer that handles both wire and plastic coils, stays light enough for all-day comfort, and has earned the Pro Preferred designation from Builder and Developer magazine for 9 consecutive years, this is the tool worth exploring seriously. thousands of professional crews and contractors are already relying on the Metabo HPT siding and light framing Coilnagler NV75A5 across real job sites every day. The affiliate link is in the description and pinned comment below. Click it, take a closer look, and put a better tool in your hands starting with your next project.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.